Welcome back to our third day and our third meal. I think you're going to be very surprised at the numbers we found. I'm so excited. Today's last dinner is going to be very easy. This is going to be a bowl of stew. We're going to take all the stuff we had. We're going to use the turnips that we used in the first batch. We're going to put them in there for flavor. We have a little bit of ham left over when we threw the rest of the Boston butt in there. Let me run you some numbers. Hang on, I'm going to grab my notes. So, per meal, per 4 people, per meal per day was $4.45, which breaks down to $1.12 per person. That's pretty good. Go ahead and get your Big Mac, your fast food, or your fancy restaurants over there and see what they'll run you. $12, $15, $20, even $6 for a value happy meal. But this has been healthy, this has been good, and we're going to do the last meal right now. Like I said, for the last meal, it's going to be very simple. We're going to start our pot. This is all we have left from that big pot we had. We had roughly 2 gallons in the first pot when we first started. That's all that's left, and we're going to break that down tonight. If you have anything left over, we'll freeze that and we'll use it for later. Let's get this thing rolling. We had some leftover turnips, like I said. We're going to slice those up real thin. I'll add those to the stew. And then these are the last bit of the Boston butt we had after we threw the rest of it in. We can go ahead and slice that up. Still quite a bit of meat. Started out with a 3.5 pound Boston butt. See if I can cut myself on camera here. Make for a good video. Alright, we're going to throw this in along with the juice or broth. Still quite a bit of food here. Get this flavor stirred up. Get it going. When this comes to a boil, we'll be ready to serve. I'll come back. Do you see all that good flavor flowing to the top? That's going to be fat from the pork, and also the ham hock we put in there for flavoring. Don't skim that off. I know you don't want to hear it, but that's where the flavor is. Our grandparents ate it, our parents ate it, and they lived forever. So those of you who are trying to stay on a budget and stretch your food dollar, be inventive with this. Be creative. Throw some frozen peas in there. Throw some turkey in there or chicken. Throw some ham in there. You can also use rice or noodles, some kind of pasta. Use couscous if you want to. Do anything you can to stretch it out. Be creative. Be adventurous. That's what real food, spend less is all about. If you like this, now's a good time to let you know. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the little bell so you won't miss the episodes. And we'll keep these things going for you. And they'll get better and better. We'll do food comparisons, tips, tricks, show you how to take care of things, show you how to eat better. Real food. Our motto is real food cooked by real people on a realistic budget. And that's it in a nutshell. Getting ready. We're getting hot here, getting ready to boil. So we're not going to add any spices, any seasoning. This thing has been spiced and seasoned plenty. If anybody watching has any stories or has any tips or tricks of their own, let us know. Put it in the comment section. We'll get back with you. Here it goes. Ready to turn the burner off now and ready to eat. Gonna mix this up a little bit. Oh, that was good. All kind of stuff in there. And we're gonna serve. Almost split it. That would have been good. There's enough in here for 4 people. 4 good-sized bowls, 4 hearty meals. And there you go. I like mine with crackers. That's what we're going to do. Hope you enjoyed these 3 days. Hope you got something. Hope you learned something. Hope you got something to share. And we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye for now. We're going to come back for just a second, and I'm going to put some dried peppers in my stew over here. A dried ornamental pepper and a dried habanero. These things dry up in the hot Florida sun. Very spicy, very flavorful, and I love it. All right, bon appetit, enjoy. See you next time.